I'm Christian and welcome to yet another live mix brought to you by Premierepiano. #1 place for piano/music production, full stop. Check it out, premierepiano.shop. Today we are doing Queen's, another one bites the dust. You know it, we love it, let's go. Yeah, and this is you in a few minutes time. You ready? I'm gonna teach you how to do this. So easy, so simple. Yeah. Woo! Bit of lag on my mic. Just keep up. That's it. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, the link to this is all in the description. Okay, so when you hit save, it'll give you a link. Okay, and you can copy that and it's in the description. Okay, so you're good to go. Start off by going to Google Chrome Lab, all right, and you're going to open up Songmaker, which we have right here. Next, go into settings, because right now it's all random. Okay, it's crazy, so you don't want to do that. You're going to copy these settings right here. Take a screenshot or rewind the video, pause it. Here's what you're going to need. Okay, so first, how many bars? We want 8. So boom, 8 bars. That's the loop. 4/4 is the split beat. This gives you semiquavers. So just trust me on this. Follow along. Scale, you want chromatic, which is the proper scale. Then we're gonna go low, middle C, because it's a bass line. It's all played on the bass. See? Boom. Yeah. Okay, so we want to go low on that. Then we're gonna go 2 octaves, which is fine. And then once we're ready, go bam, hit, and we're ready to begin. Next, we're gonna now go over to the left side here, and we're gonna change this to piano, and then we're gonna change this part over to electronic or drum kit. I like electronic personally. The speed is 115 BPM, that is the tempo, speed in common time, and we're ready to go. Okay, so first notes, boom, greenies. We're gonna go beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, and leave beat 4 blank. So, boom, boom, boom. There is an anacrusis or pickup, dum, 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 but just leave that out for now, okay? Let's keep it simple, have some fun. Now we go, so 1, 2, 3, 4, da-da. That's like that drop right at the end. Da-da, bum, bum, da-dum, bum, ba, ba, bum. There we go. Have a listen. Yeah, awesome, sexy beat, sexy beat. Let's do that again. Second one, it just copies and pastes. It's the same thing again. Okay. Okay, and leave that open. Okay, so this is bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4. We're halfway there. Actually, 3/4. You should go ahead and copy that over here because we're going to later. But here we go. Listen to it. Yeah. And again. By the way, let me know if you want a tutorial on this for bass or guitar or even piano. Happy to help you out. I am a pro musician and a producer, so I'll teach you anything you want to know, okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, share, you know what to do, okay? But wait, we're not finished yet. Don't go away. Okay, this is your final product, remember? We're gonna get to this monster. Next part we want is a little modification that I made. Okay, so when he sings, another one goes, another one goes, and one bites the dust, I've added that in here. It's not part of the original bass line, but I think it sounds cool. So here's what we're gonna do. Bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, at the end of bar 4, right here. So we're gonna drop this, okay? So ready? Okay. Ba, 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 ba. That's what we're gonna throw this in. So we've got these two here. So ba ba da ba ba. And then we just do it again. Ba 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 ba. Ba da ba 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 da. Okay, so that's on beats 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the pickup just before, and then on the next bar we're gonna start on straight beats. Okay, so 1 and 2. And then we land. Okay. Now you can keep it simple with da 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 or da 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 da, if you'd like. However you want to do it, have some fun, mix around. Or you can do this. Let's see what it sounds like. Ready? And again. Lag on my mic. too much bounce for me. Let's keep it as it was. All right. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-dum. Then we finish with the last bar, same as we did at the beginning. Copy and paste. Easy. Dum dum dum. And we're done. Easy. Now, time to drop that beat. See here, this bottom line? That's your kick, that's your snare. That's your kick, that's your snare. Okay? And you can't fall to the floor. It's dum 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 dum. I like to add, after the first riff, let's add the snare. Okay, so that's on beat 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy paste 1, 2, 3, 4. Gives you it is only basic, but later on Google might update this, and or just join music production with me. I'll teach you how to do this for real. Let's do it in the big boys shop, Pro Tools, or maybe some Fruit Loops, or whatever you want to do. Yeah, Fruit Loops. Any DAW you like, but look, there's tons online, guys. So if you like this kind of stuff, or if it interests you, even if you know nothing about it, I'm here to teach you and help you. So don't stress. Keep it simple, and then later we can complicate it and make it really interesting. Okay? I am recording this live, so here we go. What does it sound like? Play. Yeah. Okay, now to make it interesting, whoops, let's fix that. I like the little right here. Ready? Okay, just adds a little bit of snare. So let's put it in at the end here on the last two semiquavers, and we'll do it again here. Okay. Now here I like to just go boom, boom, boom with the kick and the snare at the same time to add a bit of interest, a crescendo. We're getting somewhere different, somewhere new. Let's make this more interesting. 4 to the floor, kick and snare at the same time. Okay, and then we start building it up, old school techno style. So da 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 da, like this. Then we go crazy at the end. Semiquavers everywhere, except for those. Let's go crazier here at this end. All right, here we go. And then we should be back to full and full. All right, what does that sound like? Let's hear it. Yeah. Cool, right? Here we go. And. Yeah. Now to make it really cool at the end, I like to do unisons. Dum, 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 dum. Wrong sweat. There we go. So dum, 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 bam, 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 bam. Gives it that unison. Let's finish it off. Listen. Yeah. And we're done. How awesome was that, guys? And that is Queen's. Another one bites the dust. Nice and simple. Once again, don't forget to hit save. And boom, that'll give you the link. And guys, it's in the description, so you can just copy and paste that link, and then you've got something to guide yourself with. Literally copy my clicks, watch this video again, and then have some fun with it. Make it your own, change it up, add a few different things to it. How can you make it better than mine or different? That's what I want to see from you. So remember, I do post on my socials daily on YouTube at least 3 times a week. All right, I'm really pumping it through, so please leave me a comment below, like, subscribe, share. Follow me on this journey. Let's learn production together. Let's learn music together. At the end of the day, guys, let's have some fun. I love what I do, and I do what I love. My name is Christian. Be sure to check out my site, premierepiano.shop. Freemium has so much free content, free tutorials, free downloads like this one. And then if you're serious, you want to take it to the next level, then do one of my online courses. They are the best on the market. I guarantee that. premierepiano.shop. Check out my stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video, guys. Till then, goodbye.